Hello, I'm Vahid Razavi with BizCloud. I'm here with Noam Reininger from Dun Bradstreet. He's the Vice President of the 360 product at D&B. Noam, it's a pleasure to have you here.
Pleasure to have you here.
Thank you. You're so kind. So, Noam, tell us about the 360 product.
Sure. So 360 is a portfolio of products. We have integrations into CRM, into marketing automation, as well as MDM systems. And I'll talk a little bit about our CRM integration. So what we allow our customers to do is multiple things. One, a common problem with CRMs is bad data. And bad data leads to bad decisions, right? And one of the things we talked about today at Data Week is around building strong customer profiles. So 360 allows reps or people that use the CRM to match against our D&B commercial database so that when they input an account, for example, Dell or HP, that account gets inputted into the CRM cleanly. So it's got all the Dun Bradstreet firmographics, how many employees, who's there, and the data is clean from the start. That's one thing. The second thing we do is we really provide a 360 view around that commercial entity and about the people. And so we provide news feeds, Facebook, LinkedIn, research. We have all the Hoover's, first research division. So we provide research about that account. So the salesperson is intelligent and ahead of the game on that sales call. The other thing that the tool provides is a way to import new leads into the CRM, so that's both people and companies. So to do lookalikes with existing customers that you have that you're selling very well to and import more of those potential prospects into the CRM. And then we keep that data clean and up to date so that decisions downstream, analytics, who's assigned to what account, that can get done on an accurate basis.
Well, Noam, Dun Bradstreet has been around for over 100 years, so I can imagine the quality of data that you guys have collected over the years and the contacts that you have built. What is the integration process like for 360 into Microsoft CRM?
So,
or any CRM?
Yeah, it really depends on the customer. So for customers that have cloud-based, Microsoft on-demand CRMs with very little customization, it's actually very simple. It's a click, 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 install, and go. For some customers, for example, that use SAP, we'll actually spend time with them to understand how customized the CRM is, how we would integrate. We also integrate with our APIs, so not just with our out-of-the-box solutions. If there's special needs that they have, if there's other data sets that they need, we can also integrate with our APIs.
I see. And I guess the roles of the people that are using this data has changed. It used to be just the sales and marketing folks. But do you see a trend that more and more people in the organizations are using the data? And if so, what are some of the users of the C360 data?
When it comes to CRM, it's still a lot of that sales and marketing function, right? It's about, getting leads into the system. It's around calling a person and being credible on the phone. It's about making decisions of how to segment our accounts. What we do see as we look at our other integrations, for example, with MDM, is really that sales operations role, and obviously IT's gotten more involved around that customer data master, right, and making sure that that's intact and accurate.
So what are the current CRMs that you support from Dun Bradstreet 360?
So we actually have a relationship with Salesforce.com via the Data.com product that's integrated into the SFDC platform. We have our own integrations into Microsoft Dynamics, into SAP, into Oracle On Demand, and Siebel.
Wonderful. Now, in regards to customers that are interested in learning more about the 360 products, what's the best way to get a hold of you and learn about what D&B offers?
So the best way is, if you already have a Dun & Bradstreet rep, is to get in touch with that rep. Otherwise, go to dnb.com.
Noam, thank you so much for your time today. Greatly appreciate it.
Thank you.